Hello guys. Today, the first non-chino guy is gonna solve that Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Okay, no, wait, scramble, actually, no, forget about scrambling. Memorize it just a little bit. Scramble it. He's gonna look at it. He's gonna look at it for about 20 seconds because he's an expert, so he's gonna know how to solve it. And not only is he going to do one, but after he's done with that one, he's going to solve this one without looking. Okay? Got it? Okay. Maybe he might get them mixed up, Okay. Alright, I think he's ready. Alright, he's gonna cover his eyes. Alright, he covered his eyes. I think he's stuck. He got it. He started it. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish she was raw like me? Don't you wish? He got it. He almost got it. He's kind of going slow. I mean, I wish he would go faster. Just like start swinging his hand or something. Okay, I think he's getting close. He dropped it. Technical difficulties. He doesn't know what colors are what now. He might not. Okay, yeah, he knows three. They're orange. See, he knows. Yes, no, it's funnier that way. That's a good thing, right? No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Should be black right here.
Alright, just to let you know, we're high right now, so not only is he solving the cube blindfolded, but he's high too. If you don't believe us, that's me. My eyes are kind of red. Look at his eyes. And let's watch. Damn, I shouldn't have shown our faces. This can be on YouTube.
Orange white. How do you both set up on YouTube?
I was bringing it on my computer. Not only is he doing it blindfolded and high, but now it's one-handed. He can't turn it. Hi, he went back to two-handed. One-handed now. One-handed.
He's moving the same one.
He's going one-handed now. One-handed. One-handed. He has the illest folded jeans. One-handed.